Hey guys, I'm back. It's great to be back. Last week I couldn't make any videos because I looked like this. But now I've removed my stitches, my bruises are almost gone. I feel 100% and I'm so glad to be making videos again for you guys. So for the whole of last week I was dying to make videos, but I couldn't because it was so painful. If you guys want to know what happened to me last Monday, you can click on the community tab on my channel page to find out. And to all of you who sent your well wishes, thanks, you're the best. Now, last weekend, which is Black Friday weekend, I received a very interesting question in my comments section. If the mid Bluetooth and the Major 3 Bluetooth were the same price, which one would I pick? Now I find this question super interesting because in my video comparing these headphones, I basically said that the Major 3 Bluetooth has some advantages over the mid Bluetooth. It's got a looser clamping pressure, which means that it's more comfortable to wear, and it's got a lower price point, about $50 less. The Major 3 Bluetooth costs $149 US, the mid Bluetooth $199 US. But I also said that the mid has a slightly better battery life than the Major 3, and also it's still got that signature warm, golden, vintage Marshall sound that Marshall headphones are famous for. For some reason, Marshall has decided that the Major 3 shouldn't have as much bass as its predecessor, the Major 2. Whether that was the right decision or not, it's really subjective because sound quality preference is subjective between different people. But if they were being offered at the same price point, I would easily go for the mid Bluetooth headphones. Because to be honest, I'm something of a bass head, and the mid Bluetooth has better bass than the Major 3 Bluetooth. It also looks slightly sleeker, to be honest, and plus it's also got better battery life, so if they were being offered at the same price point, it's like a no-brainer for me. But when I checked Marshall's official website today, they are selling the mid Bluetooth at $99 US, almost half price. That also makes it $50 less than the Major 3, so even more of a no-brainer. Now I don't know for certain why it's being offered at such a low price point now. I'm guessing that they are clearing stock because they are going to release a new model soon. But look at what they did with the Major 3's sound quality and battery life. When they were phasing out the Major 2, I'd say it's probably a wiser choice to just snap up the mid Bluetooth while it's still in stock. Because who knows what the new mid Bluetooth is gonna be like, right? So I want to pose this question to you. Which one would you choose? Major 3 Bluetooth or mid Bluetooth? Leave a like and comment in the comment section below. Next up, we're going to talk about some stuff that I discovered with the Minor 2 Bluetooth. So
let's just jump into it.
Overall, I think that these are good earbuds. They sound great. They fit very well. They are very stable in my ear. But I do have some complaints about them. These earbuds do hurt after a while because the ear tip, the part that goes into the conch of your ear, these are made of hard rubber, so it actually hurts after a few hours of using them. Marshall should really have used soft silicone with this, but it boggles my mind why they went with hard rubber. For example, my old Bose Freestyle in-ears, they use soft silicone instead of hard rubber, so these end up being a lot more comfortable. Finally, I feel that this cable is a little too short for me, and the controls are located a little too high. So when I'm using the earbuds, let me just put them on. Notice how high my hands have to go to access the controls. I have to flex my arm so much. It doesn't feel so natural. I would have preferred the controls being like around here. So that's all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching. Now, I'm aware that many of you had just subscribed to this channel. First of all, welcome and thank you for subscribing. Now, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad because I upload videos every single week, and this is the only way you'll get notified. Also, please feel free to watch my previous videos because I guarantee you those are pretty epic as well. Now, in my next video, I will be unboxing and reviewing this product. So stay tuned. My name is Aaron, you're watching Amazon Wireless, and I will see you again in the next one. Facepalm out!